Imagine making $10,000 in the USA without coding, without fancy apps, just using Google Sheets. Sounds unbelievable? That's exactly what I did. And today I will show you how you can turn simple spreadsheets into a profitable side hustle. Across the USA, millions of people struggle with budgeting. They want something simple, easy to use, and customizable. Instead of building an app, I realized Google Sheets already had everything people needed: formulas, charts, and automation, all free. So I created ready-to-use budget templates, monthly expense trackers, savings goals, debt payoff planners. I packaged them neatly, added instructions, and sold them on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. No coding, no design degree, just solving a real problem that people in the USA face every day. In just a few months, those templates brought in over $10,000. The best part, it's passive income. Once the templates were uploaded, sales kept coming, and while I slept, and most of my buyers were from the USA.